Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lori and I am going to be sharing with you my foundation routine. I definitely hope that you enjoy watching my makeup tutorial, and please remember to subscribe to my channel since I do plan on sharing more of my makeup ideas and things, all beauty oriented, fashion, or things of that nature. But yeah, I'm going to share with you how I got to this point. And if you're wondering about my hair, I am also a hairstylist and I did braid my own hair. I did it yesterday. I will definitely share with you in another video like what hair I used and everything like that. So just subscribe to my channel so that we can stay in touch. But yeah, without further ado, I'll get going with this video, and yes. Okay, so I've already washed and moisturized my face, and I applied the Cover FX blurring primer. So if you're interested in purchasing that, it's a really great product. And as you can tell, I've done my eyeshadow application and it was all done using one palette. This is the Tartelette Toasted palette. Yeah, so Tartelette Toasted by Tarte, and all the shades that I used were in this one single palette. And I've also applied brown eyeliner. It's the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner that I use to do a little bit of the eyeliner. So for my foundation today, I'm just going to use Cover FX, the Natural Finish Foundation, because it is dewy and a bit moisturizing. My skin is really dry right now. It's winter and it's just been really dry, so I don't want to apply anything that's too matte because of those dry areas, especially the one under my eye. So today that's what I'm going to be using. So I usually have like different kinds that I use. I have the Clinique foundation, Beyond Perfecting primer, and I have the Fit Me, and yeah, I have the Cover FX, and I also use Estee Lauder. But today I'm going to be using this one, and I'm using G60. So I'm just going to be tapping that in with this brush by NYX. It's the professional makeup brush, and it has like a flat tip to it. So I'm just going to be patting that into my skin, all over my skin. I also have the G70, I think, but I don't need that right now because it's winter. So I'm just going to put that everywhere on my face. This has more of like a medium coverage, and it is buildable. It's like medium to full coverage. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. Where I need it. And make sure I go underneath here and on my ears as well. Okay. Now that I have that everywhere, I'm going to grab my concealer. And this one is in golden. Yeah, golden neutral. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my foundation. I have a translucent powder here by Dermablend, that, and I'm just gonna put that especially under my eye area. Pretty much all over my face. So now that I've done that, what I would do now is like contour. So I'm going to contour my face. I have the NYX No Filter setting powder, but I use it as contour, which you can do. And this is in deep golden. I'm just going to use a brush that has like a angle to it. And this is by BH Cosmetics. A little bit off, and I usually apply it a little bit and then build it up if I want to, like add more. And on my forehead as well. And I definitely want to make sure to blend that out so there's no harsh line. I will be applying a blush, and this is by Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush. It looks like this. This is a really nice blush. I use it for like highlighter too, like there's some colors here that I can use to highlight. But today I'm going to be using this color right here in the palette to apply the blush. And I bring it up a little bit. And yeah, these are not matte. They have just glitter or shimmer in it. But it's a really good formula. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I just usually brush it out, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit of pencil here where I kind of waxed off a little bit too much hair. But they always grow back, so no worries there. And yeah, just a little bit more wherever I feel I'm bad. All I usually do. Sometimes I'll add like some highlighter, but since it's daytime, I feel like this is enough. And the blush already has like a lot of like highlight, like glitter in it already, so I'm really happy with that. Now I'm gonna go back into my eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the eyeshadow right underneath my eyes. I'm gonna be going in with Warmth, and I'm gonna apply that right here so it lines up with the outer corner of my eye, like so. Same for the other side. And I'm going to take another brush, and I'm going to use Sunshine, and I'm going to put that over here and do in the corner a little bit. Okay, now for lipstick, I have yet to decide. I have a few shades here, and I'm probably going to use, no. No. So I'm probably just going to use this color right here by L'Oreal, and it's 251 Wisteria Rose. So I'm going to apply that. And I definitely applied lip balm like before I put my lipstick on, and like pretty much all day yesterday because my lips are really dry. So I didn't even apply any mascara or anything like that. I don't feel like I need it. I don't always apply it. Of course you can if you want. So yes, this is my foundation routine. As I said, I do have other foundations that I use, like the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder in Golden Neutral and Sand. I have the, like today I have the Cover FX, I have the Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I have the Estee Lauder that I use. I switch up between them. I definitely want to like expand my foundations and try like different products. I heard the Too Faced Born This Way foundation is really, really good, and many more out there. Black Opal I want to try. But yes, I really hope that you enjoyed my foundation routine, and thank you so much for checking out my video, or or my makeup tutorial, however you may say. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share. Let me know if you liked any of the products, or if you have any questions down below in the description box. But thanks again for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one.